Welcome to day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas trees. And this is my inspiration. I am going to be using the wood here from these wire-bound wood crates that I got for free. Hello everyone! I'm so glad you're here. Let's get going. This one was a very challenging one. But nevertheless, I persevere. So let me share with you. I hope I'm inspiring you to be creative in your unique ways. I already applied the Waverly Wax Antique on all my wood pieces, and I'm going to be using my pneumatic nail gun to attach all the pieces together. I already set my pneumatic gun and my compressor, so I'm ready to go. I'm going to be using 1 1/4 brad nails for this project. For the base, I am gluing 2 pieces of wood together for more stability, and then I'm going to add all the pieces together using my pneumatic nail gun. I already cut all the pieces of wood using this miter box, and I have them already lined up to start attaching them. Everything was going smoothly until something went wrong. So let's try again. It seems like the pressure is coming out for some reason, and it doesn't allow me to use the nail gun for too long. And it stopped working again. So at this point, I was not sure what to do. I need to probably secure this better because the air is coming out here. So I'm gonna try to tighten this better. See if I can do it. If not, I have to wait for Amore, my husband, to come home so he can help me with this. Let's try again. At this point, I thought I had fixed the problem, but no, it's still not coming with enough pressure to work. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm going to wait until my husband gets home and see if he can help me. If not, I'm gonna have to go with plan B. And here's my husband trying to help me. I'm so grateful. But he couldn't figure out why it's not working. So plan B it is because it didn't work. So what I'm trying to do is use my staple gun instead. Didn't realize that the staples are too short. I don't have longer staples, so it didn't work. So plan B didn't work, so plan C it is. I'm going to hammer this nail by hand. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I persevere. So stay tuned to see how it came out and what else happens in the way. And of course, this process was not as fun as easy. It was a little bit of a painful one because every time I hammer a nail, everything shaped. And I was making my tree less stable with all this impact. And for the final touches, I'm going to add gilding wax in copper finish to the screw I'm using to attach the star on the top of the tree. I don't want the shiny silver, so I'm just going over and adding the copper finish instead, and I'm doing the same thing with the star, the base of the star right here. I think it looks so much better with the style of the tree. Now I'm attaching the screw to the tree, and I'm gonna leave it standing like that to then attach the star. And I was debating to use glue or not, and I decided not to, because to put it away, I think it's better to be able to remove it. So yeah, I thought it was better not to add glue. It was standing pretty good. And I'm adding this small tree skirt to complement the design. Let me know what you think. I'm struggling with this one. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and click on the bell notification so next time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Merry Christmas. Until next time. Goodbye.